Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wants and MMS messages on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, check network. You will see after check network your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here and click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.